Well, good morning. I'm back with something else I bought for my camper van. Alison bought something the other week and I was like, really? So, she used it the other day when she took her camper out and went for a couple of days, and she said it worked really well. It's really good. And the review's really good. It is an electric lunchbox. What's that? I hear you ask. Well, basically, it is a lunchbox, put your food in, that you stick somewhere, plug it in, and it warms up. Heats everything up to 70 degrees over however long. You can use it 12 volts, so in your car, in your truck, a lot of truckers are using it. In a camper van, I could use it with my big power pack and so on. So, we're going to unbox it and have a look. So there's the box. It's a Timker R for registered trademark, so Timker. It's 12 volt, 24 volt or 220 volt. Okay, anytime and anywhere, fresh hot meat you can eat. Really good. Okay, so high temperature, resistant environmental materials, stylish and fashionable appearance, steam, blah 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 blah, blah, and then we open it up. So in the box, what have we got? So we've got our bag and our user manual. Okay, that's the top. Going to have a nice little 360 here. So, okay, now if I can get you just to tilt it down, we'll have a look. So what we got? Oh, look, there's a spoon and a fork. That's cool. Stainless steel. That's all right. Wasn't expecting it. It was probably mentioned, but you know me, I don't read anything. I just go, oh yeah, that's good. I'll buy one of them. So, right, so that's that. Then there's a little, I guess that's an indicator, charge indicator light. Oh, on the side, this is where you can plug it in. So you can plug it in for charging it up. You've got like two separate ports there. Close that up, goes up nice and tight, nice snap to it. And goes, so it's obviously an O-ring seal. Oh, you've got a little carry handle as well. To lift it off, what have we got in here? So, cabling. It's in the bag, baby. So, 220 volt, 12 or 24 volt. So there you go, that's ready to plug into the camper. Inside you've got this, so you've got your stainless steel innards, you've got your plastic tub, so that's for your veg, so you pop your veg in there, okay, pop that in there, and then you put your other, say, I don't know, a tub of meat or whatever you pour in there, so you might have some chilli, you might have a tin of stew or whatever, pop that in. That's removable and dishwasher safe, food grade stainless steel apparently. And then that's your main lunchbox. So it's quite interesting. So this, obviously you wouldn't put this bit in the dishwasher because this is going to be full of electrics under there. Pop it all together, which looks good. And so that is your Timker electric lunchbox. Just plug and go. Now, reading through the reviews, they're saying anywhere between sort of like 30-40 minutes up to about an hour and a half to get it to heat stuff up to temperature. Once it reaches that temperature, it'll stop charging it, stop heating it, whatever you want to call it, and just maintain it. So yeah, we're going to try that today, me and Abby, because we might as well. Oh, okay, that's interesting. So you've got slightly different connection for whether you're in the 24 and 12 or the 220 volt. Now, we'll look through the little instructions. So the cable's just got a slightly different thing. So what are we saying? What are we saying here? Steam vent. So this is a steam vent and steam vent cap. So if I take that cap off, so I've got a little hole here to let steam out. Now, we've got to see whether or not we need that. Oh, that snaps in nicely. So please put the cooked food like rice or soup. This isn't a cooker, by the way. This is just a warmer heater upper. Okay, they're not real words. So put the cooked food like your pie in. Buckle the lunchbox lid. Yeah. Pull out the steam vent cap. Open the socket stopper and connect the power cord. When it's powered on, the powered indicator lights up and heating begins. Okay. Note, when heating, please put it in a flat place to avoid leakage. And you can tilt this quite a bit. It did say how much, I can't remember. Please use in a dry place away from water. And please open the steam cap before heating, otherwise the internal steam will cause deformation of the lunchbox or even damage it. Okay, fair play. So this is literally on there to stop bacteria-y stuff coming in while you walk around it. So heating time depends on the amount and temperature of the food as well as the indoor temperature. It takes about 45 to 50 minutes to heat the food to 25 degrees. Sorry, at 25 degrees. It takes a relatively longer time when heating food that is taken out of the fridge. The product can only be used for heating or keeping warm of cooked food, and it heats up to 70 C. After heating to the highest temperature, the lunchbox automatically turns to keep warm. So we're going to plug that in and go off, and we're going to eat it when we come back. So there we go, there it is plugged in on the dashboard of the camper, ready to go. So if I switch on, there you go, the ignition, there you go, you can see that that's now got a little light on to indicate, and it's making a little noise.
Right, that's the radio.
That's the radio. It's not making a noise, see, it's silent. Yeah, okay, and that's why you get proper reviews from me. They're not thought out.